So in this Robinhood tutorial video, I will be showing you how to edit the app appearance here on Robinhood. So once the app's opened up, go to the bottom right and select on the human or the profile icon. Once that is done, I want you to go down to where it says settings, located between history and support, and select that. Once you're on this page right here, the settings page, I want you to go to where it says app preferences and then go ahead and select app appearance. It'll then bring you to this screen right here where you can go ahead and change the appearance here. So if you want to change the colors to more accessible colors because of color blindness or whatever, you can make sure that that is selected right there and it'll go ahead and adjust. You can also change the system theme right here by changing it to like light mode or dark mode. Whatever the case may be, you can go ahead and kind of play around with it that way if you want. You can then change it back, do what you got to do, and you can basically adjust the appearance this way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to edit the app appearance here on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.